Good job, Jameson.
Wow! Wow!
Your dad trying to put the instructions, figuring them out.
Hold on.
It is a basket. You're right. It's a basket. Yeah. Basketball.
Yeah, hold on.